Guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes. Are you looking for an absolute stunner of a sports bike? Look no further. This beauty. It is a Kawasaki ZX10R. 30th anniversary. It is a gorgeous looking bike. Couple of nice cheeky extras, but we'll give you some facts and figures first. 2015 on a 15 plate. Give you the mileage as well. It has done, when it gives it me, 11,469 miles. It is a super clean bike, is this. Akrapovic N-Can, and it's also got the standard that you're never going to put on because of that beast that's on there. There's the displays, super easy to read, and then your RPMs just at the top. When you get into the 14,000 revs, it flashes like mad. Please change gear. As you can also see down the left hand side, what an absolute stunner this bike is. This bike's got the traction control, it's got 3 stages of power modes, and also it's been equipped with ABS. It was an added option on these bikes back in the day, and this one's got it. Stunner of a bike. Well, enough of me going on about this bike. Oh, just wait, tail tidy, totally forgot to mention that, and the RNGs. Anyway, let's give it a start up. What a fantastic sounding machine. You are definitely not going to put that standard exhaust on, but it will come with the bike itself. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute stunner. All you need to do is purchase is drop us an email, go on to jordanbikes.com, send us a Facebook message, or just simply give us a call. Anyway, we'll leave you to it. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.